Implants are a more popular choice to those with missing teeth or looking for a permanent option to substitute missing teeth. One most important factor of many who are contemplating dental implants is price. In this clip, we'll talk about the costs associated with dental implants and look at how factors can impact the cost of this procedure. What are dental implants? Implants made of titanium surgically inserted inside the jawbone, acting as artificial teeth roots. They provide a sturdy basis for replacing teeth that are aesthetically pleasing, comfortable, and function as natural teeth. Contrary to bridges and dentures, which may shift or become unwieldy over the course of time, dental implants offer permanent solutions for missing teeth. The cost of dental implants. Cost of dental implants may vary greatly based on many factors. In general, the price of one dental implant may range from $1,000 up to $3,000. The price could rise based upon other variables, including the number of implants required, degree of difficulty involved in the procedure, and any additional procedures necessary. Factors that can affect the cost of dental implants. 1. There are many types of implants that need to be used. Cost of dental implants will rise with the number of implants needed. As an example, a person who needs multiple implants in order for replacement of several missing teeth naturally will have a greater expense than a person who requires one implant. 2. Complexity of the process. Costs of dental implants may also be determined by the complexity of the procedure. In the event that additional treatments like dental grafting, sinus lifts, or even bone grafting are required in order to prepare the jawbone for the placement of implants, it can affect costs associated with the procedure. 3. Where the practice is located. The price of dental implants varies in relation to the place at the location of the practice. Dentistry that are located in cities or regions where there is a higher cost of living might be more expensive in dental implant treatments than practices in rural locations. 4. Materials. The cost of dental implants may be affected by what materials are used in the process. Materials of high-end quality like titanium implants might cost more than others and are, however, more robust and possess greater success rates. 5. The experience and expertise of the dentist. Dental implants may also be affected by the knowledge and experience of the dentist that performs the procedure. Dentists with advanced education as well as certification in implant dentistry could charge more to cover their costs over a dentist with less experience. Insurance coverage for dental implants. Most dental insurance plans do not fully cover the expense of dental implants because they're typically considered to be cosmetic procedures. But certain insurance plans will cover a percentage of the costs associated with dental implants if the procedure is considered medically essential. You should check with your insurance provider in order to figure out which portion of the costs that will be covered under your plan. Financing options for dental implants. In the event that you're worried over the price of dental implants, they have ways to finance the procedure and lower the price of dental implants. Dental practices often provide payment plans and financing options to patients who allow them to make payments for dental implants over time. In addition, some practices cooperate with financing companies from a third party who specialize in medical or dental financing. In the end, the price of dental implants can differ in accordance with a number of elements, including the amount of implants needed as well as the difficulty of treatment, and also the type of material that are used. It is crucial to talk to an experienced dentist in order for the ideal treatment option for your particular demands and to go over the price of dental implants more in depth. When you have a good plan and most suitable financing choices, dental implants are beneficial investments in the health of your mouth and overall health.